Hey guys, this is our Detangling client today, Gina. I'm Kaylin.
I'm Drika.
And we're gonna be working on her live. This is her hair raw before we started anything. This is gonna be where her natural length is prior to it getting matted. But Gina has come to us from 5 hours away and she's seen our videos, she's seen all of our work, and she now knows not to wash her hair, but prior to that, she had been washing her mat. So I'm gonna show you her mat and we're gonna kind of explain what we talked with her about in the consultation. Do you wanna turn around towards Drika for me?
In stuff, yeah.
Yep, this is the mat that is the hardest. This mat's been in here for 2 years. And then as you see, there's no budging.
Right, it's pretty hard.
So with something like this, when you're wetting it, it's gonna shrink up every time you wet it. My hair is curly. When it's wet, it drops. When it dries, it gets larger. But when it's in a mat, there's nowhere for it to go. So now that the mat has been washed, it is a little bit harder to achieve this much length. So
yeah, we basically just want to give y'all like a little summary of what we talked about in the console and just kind of explain to you guys, because I know the viewers are going to be watching, but we want to let you guys know that we already talked to her and her husband. Okay, they already know the circumstances of what could happen, the outcome, and that we can't guarantee the actual length or what it may look like because it is that hard. But granted, she didn't know anything about the water, so for you guys who do have mats out there, just to let y'all know, this is like a PSA. Like a PSA video, basically, just to let you know, don't be in water or anything, don't wet it, just find somebody, a professional that can help you guys, or if you guys can watch our videos and kind of take lessons from there. And yeah, anything else?
Watch us get this mat out. Like we said, we don't know what it's gonna look like, so just be patient with us.
Be patient with us and her, okay, you guys?
Yes.
So, yes, stay tuned. Enjoy.
I wanna be young, I wanna be alive. Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my demons trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3 or 4 times, cause it's better than a teen highway with young lean. I will never get enough. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right, that's right, that's right. I wanna be young, wanna be alive. Tell the bodies to pull up. There's a party, we can go all night. I will show you how to run the red light. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms tight. Damn, it feels right. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right, that's right, that's right. I wanna be young, wanna be I wanna be young, wanna be alive. I know that's about balance. With you I'll be flying, we're falling, and nobody can see us. Our love is so unkind. That's right, that's right. I just don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, 'cause I'm about to go nuts. And I love what I feel.